So this is a reminder day. It's just a complete review. If I wanted to do f of 2, then I would highlight this area here because that's where x is 2. And I would choose this function here, which is f of x. Do you get where they overlap? The answer is 5. So f of 2 is 5. Get how that worked? What if I wanted g of 1? Everybody find it. Well, here's where x is 1. They're saying x is 1, so here's where x is 1, and then it's g of 1, and I overlapped them with 2 blue circles, and there's the overlap. The answer is 3. Does that make sense to you? Thank you. Okay, let's do one more. Two f of 1. I'm amazed at how many people get confused by this because I just threw the 2 in there. And then they're like, what the heck just happened? All you got to do is find f of 1. And when you do, times it by 2. That's all it means. 2 times whatever f of 1 is. So it's one step at a time. Find f of 1. Here's f. I'll use different colors this time. I'll use black. Here's f. And here's 1. And you see where they overlap? The answer is 2. That part right there, f of 1, is 2. Then what do I do with the 2 on the outside? 2 times 2. The answer is 4. It's just twice as big as it would have been because I had a 2 out in front. All right, one last one. 3g of 4. Avia, what do you start with?
You distribute the g.
Nope. You find g of 4.
Yeah, I don't.
You could do this. So g of 4. So, do you see the g?
Yeah.
Over in the other column, do you see the 4?
Yes.
So here's g.
So
Here's 4. There it is. It's 6. So, this part is 6. Then what do you think I should do with the 3? You do that last. Max, you know what to do?
Oh, yeah, you times by 3 equals 18.
18 is correct. That's the answer. Does that make sense? Okay. You first find this out, and then once that's done, you times it by 3. Okay. All right. Now, there's another kind where they have pictures like this. And I'll give you a couple spots. Let's say that this is the spot -1, -1, and this is the spot 5, 3. What if I said, what's f of -1? Didn't I just put the x as -1? So that's this one. So what's the answer? -1. What's f of 5? It's right there. It's 3. Make sense? Okay, then let's up it just a little notch. What if I said f of x is 3? I didn't just say x was 3. I said f of x was 3. Do you get that that's the same as saying y equals 3? So it's kind of like saying, hey, y is 3, which is that spot. So then what do you think you're supposed to answer with? 5 is correct. If y is 3, then they're saying, what's the other part of that? X is 5. Okay. Now let's start that Schoology quiz. I'm going to pause for a second. We'll do the first problem together. Kennedy, can you shut the door back there, please? G of x equals -7x plus 4. Is that what you said? Okay, thank you. All right. This is the easiest kind. Don't forget, you don't need a chart for this. If they tell me x is something, I'm just going to stick it right there. What's x equal to? -5. So I put that right here. And they're asking me to do 7 times -5 and then add 4. So what's 7 times -5? Well, 7 times 5 is 35. And then I put a negative on it. -35 plus 4. Question, comment?
It's -7.
Oh, we're not supposed to put in, oh, there's a mistake in the equation, thank you. Apparently it's negative 7x plus 4. Can anybody verify that?
Yep.
Thank you. Then it's negative 7 times negative 5 makes positive 35 plus 4. What's the final answer? 39, I think, right? Anybody else get 39? Okay. All right. So when they give you an equation that's just an equation, not a picture, it's the easiest kind. All right, let's do one more. Number 2. That was number 1. Avia, read me number 2.
G and X. I don't know how to say.
G of x.
G of X equals X to the power of 2 minus 5X plus 2.
Then what do they want us to do?
Find the value of G in negative 2.
G of
G of negative 2.
G of negative 2. Okay, so they're really just saying, hey, stick negative 2 in this function. So if you put it here, that doesn't like solve anything, but it tells you G of negative 2 equals. This is the part that's really going to give you the answer. Don't forget to put it in parentheses. Really common for people to forget to put that in parentheses, and the answer would be different. That answer is positive 4 plus 10 plus 2. Who had 16 before I said it? You will. Okay, I think you get the idea. I get you might get stuck, but that's what I'm here for. So come on up and ask me if you get stuck. That's all I have. It's a complete review today. If you were missing today, there's one kid absent. Just go watch the, well, you're watching the video right now. Go and take the little 10 questions of Schoology quizzes that are also assigned for today. You can find them in the Algebra Ninja folder.